Okay, so like there again, it's saying in math, the word dilate means to get bigger or smaller, or enlargement or reduction. If the scale factor is less than 1, then your figure is going to get smaller. If the scale factor is greater than 1, then your figure is going to get bigger. Questions about that? Okay, so now we're looking at number 4. And again, your scale factor is 2. So that means K is equal to 2. Because K is greater than 1, then that means this object right here is going to get bigger. This is an enlargement. Okay, this is going to be an enlargement. So we're going to write down these order pairs for J, the pre-image. Start at the origin. You go to the right, 1, 2, and then go up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 2 and 4. Then we have K. Start at the origin. Go to the right 1 and go up 1. So that's 1, comma 1. Then we have L. Start at the origin. Go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's positive 4. And you don't go up or down. So that's positive 4 and 0. So now your new ordered pairs are going to be your image. To find them, you're going to take your scale factor and multiply. So you're going to multiply 2 times both the x and the y for each of these points. So we got 2 times 2. Got this 2 times 2, and that gives us 4. Then we got 4 times 2. 4 times 2 gives us 8. Then we got 1 times 2. That gives us 2. 1 times 2 gives us 2. Then here we got 4 times 2. That gives us 8. We got 0 times 2 gives us 0. And these are our new ordered pairs. So we graph them here. Okay? 4 and 8. So we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, and go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is J prime. Then we have 2, 2. So we start at the origin, go to the right 2, and go up 1, 2. This is K prime. Then we got 8, 0. So we go to the start at the origin and go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 0 is neither up or down. So this is L prime. And when you connect the dots, you can see that the object grew twice in size. Okay, so that means the area for this one, the bigger one, is 2 times as large as the area for that smaller one. Okay, this is twice the size as the original. So the original is called the pre-image, that's before the move. And where the object has moved to is called the image. The image is twice as big. The area of this image is twice as big as the area of that one. Questions about that? Okay. Take a picture. Yes, babe. What's your question? Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Anyone still taking a picture? Okay. This one here, number 7, looks a little different. The scale factor is 1/3. So K is equal to 1/3. Mute yourself, babe. There you go. All right. So since K is 1/3, this is going to be a reduction because it's smaller than 1. Multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. And I'm going to write that down. Multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. Shh. Hey, guys, listen. You got to keep yourself on mute, okay? Okay, we got to be on mute. All right. Go back to my main screen. Okay, so here we're going to write down our ordered pairs. M, this is 3, and we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 3, comma 9. N, start at the origin, you went over 6, and you didn't go up or down. So this is 6, comma 0. This is the letter O. Start at the origin, you go to the right 3, and you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is positive 3 and negative 6. And then P, start at the origin. We go to the left 1, 2, 3. That's negative 3. And then we don't go up or down. So that's negative 3, comma 0. This is your pre-image without the tick marks. So to get the image, you use your scale factor. You're going to multiply 1/3 times each of these numbers. But the trick is to know that 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So here I say 3 divided by 3, and that gives me 1. I say 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. I say 6 divided by 3, and that gives me 2. I say 0 divided by 3, and that gives me 0. Any questions so far? Okay. All right, good deal. Here I have 3 divided by 3. That gives me 1. I have negative 6 divided by 3. That gives me a negative 2. The last, I have negative 3 divided by 3. That gives me a negative 1. And 0 divided by 3 gives me 0. This is going to be my image. So I graph these ordered pairs, start at the origin, do my first M prime. That's 1 and 3. So I go over 1 and up 1, 2, 3. This is M prime. Now I'm doing N prime. That's 2 and 0. Start at the origin and I go over to the right 1, 2. I don't go up or down because it's 0. This is N prime. Then I have 1, comma, negative 2. So I go over to the right 1 and I go down 1, 2. This is O prime. And for P prime, negative 1 and 0. So I go to the left 1 time. 0 means you're going to go up or down. So this is P prime. And I connect. And you can see where it started is bigger and where it ended is smaller. So this is a reduction. The larger one is called the pre-image. That's before the move. And the smaller one is called the image. That's after the move. So Yes. No, you're fine. Thank you for stopping me. Jacarlin, what's your question, babe? All right, so just wrapping this up. Thank you, babe. So just wrapping this up. Look at this. This larger one is three times, this pre-image is three times as large as the image, and the image is a third of the pre-image. Okay? All right. Take a picture if you need it.